Here we are on McAlpine Ranch, north central Montana. Middle of April. We finally got some moisture here last week. Other than before that, it was really dry and the grass was just kind of sitting there. Still feeding hay, maintaining these yearlings through the winter. Another couple of weeks, with the way the grass is finally starting to grow, I'll be able to start moving the cattle along as the grass growth speeds up, and they'll move off of getting a lot of their needs from the hay to getting all their needs to the forage out there. McAlpine Ranch, we winter them out on the land and we keep them grazing all winter long, but we have a pile of hay there to make sure that they get some good nutritious salad during the non-growing season through the winter months. We get hit with a good storm. Sometimes the animal can't get enough nutrition so that they do well and keep at least maintaining some growth through the winter. These animals are all from a year old to approaching 2 years old. Most of them are Black Angus. There is a little bit of Charolais in here, and some Reds, some Baldies. There'll come a time when the cattle won't touch the hay because they're getting all the grass and shrubs that they need. But for now, the alfalfa grass hay is tasting pretty good to them. This drainage right here is Birch Creek. If you follow Birch Creek up, you get to those mountain peaks you see up there, the Rocky Mountains. About 25 miles away. Glacier Park is about an hour's drive from here. Getting some salad.